Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1964 and a half Ford Mustang Coupe. This car is painted in its original color of poppy red. It is a D code 289, which means it's a factory 4-barrel and it's a factory 4-speed car. Magnum 500 wheels, red line tires, very nice, clean, what I would call survivor car. Factory air conditioning on this car. The belt's not on it. The compressor spins and the clutch spins, so I think you probably put a belt on it and probably charge the air back up on it. The bumper's got a little bit of pitting in the bumpers. I'd say it's a driver quality car. The paint in the car is very nice. You know, there's a few imperfections. There's a couple dirt nibs here and there. I mean, it's not perfect, but very, very nice. Very solid car. All original interior in the car. Does have one little split right here in the top of the seat. You probably could, if you're in home ec, you could probably sew that right up. White headliner. Visors. Factory 4-speed, like I said. Inside the trunk is clean. Got a spare tire. Got some extra hardware, brackets and pulleys. Some seat belts. There's a jack in there. Spare tire, lug wrench. So you got all that to... Isaac, there's my little helper today.
Yeah.
There, go over on the other side, buddy.
Okay.
There you go.
Want me to start it up?
No, it's a manual, so don't start it up.
Okay.
Well, here, I'll put it. You can start it up now.
Okay.
Got a little bit of wave on the bottom of the door panels. You can kind of see it right here. Not bad. Dash looks good. AM radio works. Glove box light works. Blower motor works. Horn works. Turn the headlights on over there, Isaac. This one right there. Pull that one out. Pull the switch out. There you go, buddy. All the glass is in good shape. A little bit of, fine scratches in the door handles. That's what I'm saying. It's a driver car. It's not a perfect car, but it's a nice, clean, poppy red driver 64 and a half Mustang. Motor sounds good. The car runs really well. Yeah, horn works. Headlight signal. Go open that door, buddy. Alright. License plate, light, tail lights, turn signals, they all work. It's a real good car. I drove this car last week one day, and it really ran out well. It does have an oil pressure gauge mounted way down there below. 60 pounds of oil pressure right there. It's got about 45 or 50 in an idle, so you can tell it's a good strong engine. Gas gauge works, temperature gauge works, speedometer works.
Really nice car.
right through the gears, great. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Kind of a rare car, a D-code 289 4-barrel 4-speed poppy red car. Get out here and do a little walk around outside quick.
Okay.
Sounds good. Beautiful orange Mustang Coupe 289 4-speed. With factory air. Pretty neat car. I'll take some undercarriage pictures of it here for you in just a little bit as well. Run her back into town. Four on the floor, Isaac. You know how to drive this thing? Burning rubber, Isaac. Car runs really good. Give us a call, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our website. New cars coming and going every day. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll talk to you soon.